Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to my video on, I've just had another delivery. I was having a peruse on the internet the other day and I discovered someone with some 55mm racing shocks in stock. So I quickly ordered them. I hope, to be perfectly honest, that they're not counterfeit or whatever the other word is that I can't think of because I'm on camera now. Because they were about £7, maybe £6 cheaper than the last lot I ordered. This was before the COVID pandemic, so I thought I'd show you. I'll just get them out the box and we can have a quick look into them and see what you get for your money. Okay, so this is what you get in the kit. Starting off with, can you believe this, 5 sets of springs, different stiffnesses, from super soft red, and there's a splodge of different coloured paint on each one, all the way up to super hard, which I think are these ones. Are they? No, that's green. These ones here with no colour on them at all, they're the super hard ones, and wow, yeah, you can tell that they're bleeding stiff, they are. You also get some 300 CST shock oil, the 4 bodies obviously. We get 4 titanium covered or coated piston rods, and all the silicone stroke rubber stuff to hopefully seal the oil in. You also get a set of ball joints to screw into the mounting points if your car doesn't already have them. If they have those step screws, as Tamiya call them. So I think there's 8 with threads, and then for some reason you get 1, 2, 3, 4 that are like ball connector nuts, but for some reason you don't get a grub screw to match them. So no idea what's going on there, but hey, there's 8 ball joints, so that should do you. You then get 2 different sizes of bottom ball connector, so you can have them slightly longer if you want to, which I might do. I haven't decided yet. And there's the top one, which just slips into the top of the aluminium housing, and then the spring holder. And then the thing that makes these fascinating for me is you get 2 lots of pistons. You get ordinary ones ranging from 2 to 4 holes, and then you get these what they're calling V-shaped or V piston. I keep forgetting the pistons. And basically it's like a cone shape. I can't tell, to be perfectly honest, with my eyesight, so I doubt if you'll be able to see, but if I show you that, I'll bring this up for you. So this is the cone shape of these pistons. So if you install them one way round, it gives you faster compression and slower rebound, and if you turn it over the opposite way round, it gives you the opposite. It gives you slower compression and faster rebound. Yes, I so far have had another set of these and I stuck them on my Renault Alpine, and that absolutely transformed the handling and suspension on that from the basically pogo sticks that you got as standard. So I'm umming and ahhing whether to try these on my Renault 5 Turbo or to put them on my AMG Mercedes TTO 1E. I think I'll build them up first and just see how long they are. I might need the longer ones, if I'm honest, for the Renault 5, but we'll see if I put the longer ball joints on. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this little first glimpse of my new bits of kit. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye!